horribly wrong.
Yeah, that one. Terrible, isn't it? Daddy, off like what? 3 minutes out. I dare lived in 40. Just on the bank, isn't it? The bottom of the bank. All the water, I lived in honest, I lived in Wembley. Wembley gone now. You'll be like that. Dad, get me up there, let's down. Zoom in. What would you do now? Like, just took your hand. I'd be dead. Obviously. No, you survive. I'd be in pain. That's disgraceful, that man. Oh, it's going in their garden, down the bottom. Where? Can you see it? It's going down the path. At the bottom.
Oh yeah. That's bad, that man.
Can you see it at the bottom of the garden? Yeah. At the grass right down there.
Yeah.
Just a circle, isn't it? He's got the feet. Get the beast. He's gonna put out down the garden. You know what? I'll go down there.
Just throw it, wouldn't you?
Throw it and leave it in the garden. I would.
Throw it to James.
He's got back in place.
I know, I'm saying.
It's not fucking down. Our glass was flooded like 2 minutes ago. Empty.
Oh, I'm putting that.
It's going back down. Quick!